now that time on Thursday, and I need to leave tomorrow afternoon-ish. I've got all of these these wired up on the ends of the boxes. I said these were done before. It's not really true. I had to put the connectors on so because they plug into there. That is almost done. It's like a 24-hour print or something. The signs, I had to redo one of these wires. I didn't like how one of them looked. I had to reheat shrink it and all that stuff. The signs won't run all weekend on one of these battery packs I found. So I think what I'm going to do right now is we're going to take our Arduino with the... Oh wait, this is not the right Arduino. We have another Arduino sitting around with an IR sensor on it. There it is. Yeah. So we're gonna have to capture the packet. Now these are two different signs because I had supply issues getting these ones. I'm gonna get more of these ones in the future, but we have to capture the data packets for the power buttons on these. So that way, like 15 seconds after each person crosses the finish line, the sign shuts off and saves the battery, and then just comes back on when it gets a new event over the air. So that's the next step, is to get that done. Should be like half an hour or so of work, hopefully, to reprogram. I got to take them apart, reprogram, put them together, and test it. And then I did most of the programming for that now. So we got to get that together. We have to mount this board in there. This one's just for testing. We have to mount this board and this guy. I got to make little bridges to mount them. Should be pretty quick. I have an antenna coming in the mail early tomorrow. Oh, and the nickel metal hydride boards for those boxes should be in the mail actually today. So they're ahead of the behind schedule. So I'll finish those before we leave. Okay, it is now this time on Thursday. Those are all done. That is still jamming. This, just as a proof of concept, works. A little touch screen going on. So we just need to kind of finish programming this guy, and I have some things to fix on the sign, and then get up early tomorrow, I guess, and kind of wrap up testing and all that jazz.